Morning, how's everyone? We are here with a review of the US markets, the US dollar, Bitcoin, oil, and gold. So, markets are showing constant volatility as a result of the AI scare. Markets began to get volatile yesterday when there was the news of a software being developed for transportation companies. And as a result of that, markets started to feel that there would be layoffs in the transport sector, and therefore markets showed a drop in the transport segment of the market, and as a result markets have been dropping constantly, and it seems the futures are still dropping. There is a lot of nervousness with regards to the AI sector, and as a result of that, all the businesses that would be affected by the AI revolution are being impacted by this round of volatility. However, I feel that this is perhaps oversold now. This is an oversold market, and I think that the market will have a bit more of a sell-off, maybe another 0.2, 0.3%, but then it will find a bottom. I do not expect this to go any further, or not much further. That is my prediction, and our predictions are always correct. Another big piece of news coming through today is the CPI numbers, which are expected in about 2 hours from now, just over 2 hours from now. My prediction is that the CPI is going to be hotter than expected. And as a result of that, the market is going to know that there will not be a rate cut in the imminent future. And as a result, there will be further volatility in the markets. So be prepared for that. I think we will see further volatility in the markets today. But like I said earlier, maybe about another 0.3, 0.2, 0.3%, not more than that. So this is where we stand with the markets at this point in time. Bitcoin is not making much of a recovery. It's hovering around the 67,000 mark, not much going on there. Oil prices similarly, as a result of negotiations between Iran and the US, oil prices have come down and are holding at that level. Gold similarly is not showing much volatility. It has dropped from 5100 down to 4900, but it's holding at that mark since yesterday. The euro is not showing much strength against the US dollar, even though the markets are being quite volatile. But it seems that there is not much strength in the US dollar as a result of volatility in the US markets. So it's the euro. It seems that there is not much strength in the euro as a result of volatility. The US dollar is strengthening as a result of the volatility, and which is why the euro is weakening against the US dollar. We're constantly seeing a weakness of the euro against the US dollar. That is expected when the markets show volatility. So this is the story so far. We'll keep you updated, and we'll have more for you after the CPI numbers today.